Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be walking you through how to add clickable link and Instagram post. So without delaying any more further, let's just jump into the video right now. Here, the first thing that I want you to do is open your Instagram account and log into it if you have not already. Open your Instagram app and then tap on the plus like icon on the top right of your screen. Then tap on post. Choose any one of the videos or photos that you would like to post from your gallery. Tap on next. After that, on write a caption or add a poll. Type down your link that you would want to post on. Here I'm writing a link of my YouTube. After this, tap on OK and there you're done. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more interesting and amazing social media related tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.